Of the many responsibilities accorded to a president by our Constitution, few are more weighty or consequential than that of appointing a Supreme Court justice, particularly one to succeed a giant in the law like Justice John Paul Stevens.
He's a public servant without equal, whose tenure as Secretary of Defense will go down as one of the most consequential and important examples of leadership in the history of the American government.
Mike, as you look back as your 4 consequential years as chairman and your 4 decades in uniform, be assured our military is stronger and our nation is more secure because of the service that you have rendered. Bill has been an outstanding chief of staff during one of the busiest and most consequential years of my administration.